Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video for you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification.
Okay, so here we're gonna start with his before look. Now we're gonna start with our Andis Supra ZRs with the detachable blade 3-op, creating our first guideline. Now we're switching to detachable blade OA. We're establishing now our second guideline. Alright you guys, you want to make sure you're stretching that skin to get a nice even cut. Now we're switching to our detachable blade number 1 and creating our next guideline. Now we're going to get our 1.5 detachable blade and go ahead and start working our way up. Here we're going to get the number 2 detachable blade and start working that bulk down. I'm not digging in, I'm lifting up as I go towards the top. Here we're going to take the 3.5 detachable blade and just knock down all the bulk that's left. Alright guys, so here I'm showing you how it looks after cutting with just the detachable blades. We're gonna go in with our Wahl magic clips and start blending out any harsh lines we see. This is the number 1 guard. We're gonna take that opened all the way and start working any lines we see. Here you can see that I'm about to close it right there. If you have any harsh lines, just make sure that you're opening and closing it to get those lines out. Now we're going to start off with our half guard, and you want to make sure that you're leaving the clipper open all the way and start towards the bottom of the fade and blend out any little lines you see. Here I'm showing you that we took our number 1 and we're going to knock down that bulk again. And excuse him chewing in the video, I gave him a piece of beef jerky. Here we're going to use no guard and the lever is closed all the way. Now we're going to take the lever and open it up as we work our way up higher. I'm using the corner of my clipper, as you can see. Anytime you see a harsh line, you can just hit it up with the corner of your clipper and it'll take it right out. Alright you guys, so we're going to move on to our Slimline Pro LI, and it is 0 gapped to create the edge up and the line up around the head. Now we're going to move on to a little scissor over comb action to knock down any little bulk that I see. Now I'm going to use these little Velcro hair grips, and it's to get the hair out of the way so I can do his edge up. I'm using the Slimline Pro LI, and you want to start off in the middle if you're a beginner and then work your way to the sides. I like to use my little pinky finger to keep balance and make sure that I do the edge up right. Now we're going to move on to styling his hair. Here I'm using the Tigi Power Plate finishing gel to style his hair. So I'm going to put that on and then we'll blow dry it, and then from there use another Tigi product. As you can see, he doesn't like me messing with his hair or putting any product in it. He claims that it hurts, but it really doesn't. I love seeing people's reactions when I turn them to face the mirror. That little smirk that he does. I just live for that. And he said his hair looks cool right there. Here I'm just pulling down any little extra hairs I see that I'm going to knock down for his edge up. Now we're going to use the Tigi hair stick by Bed Head. And what you do is blow dry it. As you can see, you heat it up until it kind of melts a little bit, and then you rub it in your hands. Now you want to take your blow dryer and your little small round brush and comb it up. So here I'm just kind of showing the haircut and the end results with the volume on the top, and he's giving you a little wink. Here's a little behind the scenes footage of them doing little dance moves at the barbershop.
Yeah. Go, Adrian. Go, Adrian. Okay. So this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the little bell notification. Till next time.